In just 3 minutes, you will fix yourself or your child a simple and elegant hairstyle. Just watch this video to the end. Follow the steps carefully. So I parted the hair into 3. You can use any pattern for this hairstyle. Because it's a quick Sunday fix, I will be using 3 patterns. First, I go in with water. Next is my ckolture hair cream and the rubber band. You can use edge control. I will not be using it in this video. So watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Enjoy the video. Yeah, guys.
Bestcity.com.
Sando on the mix.
I want to tell you a story about a pretty baby. Baby, my baby. A royal majesty lady. She dey give me food as a baby. The reason to make me somebody. And yeah, yo baby. Ah, yo baby. She like to wear spaghetti. I walk in step like Indomie. And when she dey pass her dey listen. The gossip and the yarning. The reason na all for the rating. Intellectual and supremacy. Iron lady. Pretty baby, German machine. Iron lady, my baby. 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 Iron lady,